Hello, and this video is for adults. So we're talking about apples. In this case, the Fuji apple. The Fuji apple was originally made in Fujisaki, Japan, in the late 1930s, and then by the early to mid 60s, it was produced in other countries. So what peer-reviewed means is one expert of apple growers basically reviewing another expert of apple growers. So in this case, I wanted to show you the top producers of apples. So currently China ranks number one and at 44 million tons. This is per year. The United States is currently at 4 million per year in tons. So it peer reviewed basically be the United States telling China, hey, your apple isn't quite as delicious as ours. Here's what kind of conditions or environment we saw, or what type of fertilizer we use that would make it better. So it's critiquing the peer, but also stating, uh, good things about it, possibly. So, the United States could say, okay, well, we're reviewing China on their process of growing the Fuji apple, and these are some of the things that they could probably change or, update, or this is what we've been doing that makes it great. And yeah, that's it.